How to download TrustWallet on PC or desktop. So if you want to download TrustWallet to your PC or desktop, normally if you go to trustwallet.com, this is the kind of interface you will see. On the top right hand side, you can see the download icon, which you can use to download the full-fledged application over here. So go to download TrustWallet, but you can see download link is for iOS or for Android or APK. Now if you want to download for Chrome, you have to install as an extension. So you have to click on download for Chrome or whichever browser you're using over here. Then it will take you to the Chrome extension page for TrustWallet, which you need to make sure to click on add to Chrome. In my case, I've already added, so you're seeing the remove option. Now once you've added that to your Chrome, click on the extensions icon from the top right, then simply go to the TrustWallet section. Then once you go to TrustWallet section here, you'll be able to see all the details. Now you'll be able to use your TrustWallet just like you'd be able to on your mobile phone without any limitations. So this is the official way to do it. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.